Hello, I am Stick Figure Works, and this is a tutorial video on how to draw cartoon characters to impress family, friends, and basically anyone. It's kind of an easy little trick that I've learned on how to draw, and it's very simple. You can apply this to anything that you want to draw from like your mind and creativity. All you really need is just a piece of paper and a pencil. You can use pens, colored pencils, for instance, one red colored pencil or Sharpie. You can basically use anything for this though. For the purposes of this video though, I'm going to be using a pencil. Just a normal pencil, not anything special. Yeah. Anyways, let's get started. There's this little trick I figured out, and it starts by drawing an M similar to this fashion. After you draw that, you just connect them at the bottom, like so, and continue the line down if there's a gap. Then you do a circle, and then another circle, and basically carry both of the ends of the circles down to the bottom like so, and you can fill them in. It's optional, you could fill them in with color. For the purpose of this video, and I want to keep it short, I just filled it in with a pencil. Don't feel pressured to have them equal. If they're not, don't worry about it. Because, here, I'll show you, for example. If the M's not equal like that, you could just do this. And now, it just looks like a character feature thing. Anyways, I'll actually use this one to show you that even with a messed up one, you could still make it look good. So you're gonna want to create a circle and then cut it in half and fill in the bottom half, and then just create a ball-like shape at the inside. And I know most people, they have trouble creating, I guess, equal shape things, so try to mess it up. If it's like that, don't worry about it. It's easily fixable. Draw 3 dots in each one, doesn't matter if they're off, and just connect them the best you can with another little line at the bottom, kind of like a bottom lip. Then have this ear, or if you don't like pointed ears, you can just change it to ears like this, or ears like this. Basically, the limits are endless for what type of ears, but for the purposes of this example, I'm just going to be doing this type of ear, where it's more pointed. Just, I guess, connect it down the best you can. Doesn't really matter if it's equal or not, just connecting it. Then next you could create, I guess, an arm by just following a line down even further and just doing something like that. That's pretty simple. Or if you don't like doing that, you can do something like this, which is basically the same arm, just on the other side. And draw some dashes. You can make them just wear pants or shoes. Yeah, basically super simple to do. Now I'll just do a super fast example to show you how fast and easy these can be. So this will probably only take me about 20 seconds. And I'll make sure it's a different animal this time. This time it'll be a dog. just like that, you got a dog. It's basically, you can apply beaks to it, or a normal nose, for example, down here. Like just a normal nose. And create a normal smiling person. Basically, the limits are endless with these types of things. And if you kind of just not restrict yourself too much to these types of things, you can basically fix anything with errors without even using an eraser. Like, for example, his chin looked weird, so I basically scribbled in a beard. And if you want him to be bald, let him be bald. Or if you want hair, just scribble in some hair at the top. Nothing needs to be perfect on it. That's what I'm trying to get to. Sure, I'll do one colored pencil even. So I always like to start with the eyes because I think everything in the face can be built around the eyes proportionately. And I'll make this just a normal person. Or why not a vampire? Pointed ears. Pointed ears. And try to connect it the best you can. And try to connect the best you can. Like so. And then, since vampires always seem to have the weird neck, like, cape things that go around their head, I thought it would be fun to add that. And then, just, if you don't want to draw the body, just draw a cape over it. And then draw 2 little squares at the bottom to show that at least he has feet. And then shade lightly on top of it to, I guess, give more dimension. Or you can color it in however you'd like. It's really just up to you. But that's basically how to draw a quick cartoon character. It's super simple. It's whatever you'd want it to look like. And yeah, that's how you draw cartoon characters, I guess, to impress your friends, family, basically whatever you want. And yeah, it's super simple. I assure you anybody can do this. So yeah, like and subscribe for more tutorial videos on how to draw and stuff like that. I guess goodbye.